Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel YCS Sultanpur. My name is Pankaj and I'm here to discuss a very important topic of class 10th mathematics, that is probability. So what is probability? Probability is the occurrence of choosing a event and probability means possibilities of selection. Event. What is event? Event is you can say any experiment of choosing any random number, any random alphabet, any event, anything. If we toss a coin, then what is the probability of getting a head? We have two possibilities. If we toss a coin, possibilities are either head or either tail. There are only two possibilities, either head or either tail. If you choose to get an head, in the probability of getting head, that is 1 upon total number of possibilities, that is 2. So using these probabilities, we only get the possibilities of an event. So finally we have a formula. Formula is probability of an event, that is PE equals to total number of favorable outcome upon total number of possible outcome. Okay, so total number of favorable outcome means what we have to choose, then for what we are getting the probability, and total number of possible outcomes, this possible outcome we get from the sample space. So to solve any probability question, we have the most important thing is to prepare a sample space for that event. If we toss a coin for 2 times, if we toss a coin for 2 times, this is very important to prepare a sample space. That is, if we prepare a sample space for coin to toss 2 times, that is, for the first time we get head and tail, for the second time we also get head and tail. So the sample space for coin which is tossed twice, that is, first time we get head, either second time we also will get head. For the first time we get head, for the second time we will get tail. Okay, similarly for the first time if we get head, then it is a possibility of second time that we will get head. Similarly for the first time we will get tail, for the second time we also will get tail. So this is the sample space for a coin which is tossed twice, or 2 coins tossed for a single time. Okay, this is called the sample space. This is called sample space. Sample space is given to find the total number of possible outcome. Here the total number of possible outcome is 4, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Possible outcomes are 4. If there is a question that find the probability of an event of a coin when a coin is tossed, we will get 2 heads. The 2 head is only one time. हमारे पास जो 2 head आ रहे हैं वो एक बार आ रहे हैं, ठीक है. Then favorable outcome is 1 and outcomes are 4. So the answer for the probability of getting 2 head at a time, that is 1 upon 4. Similarly, if we have a question for tossing a coin 2 times and then find the probability of that event when the 2 tails are coming on the upside, that is 1 time upon 4, right? Similarly, there are only 3 type of topics which we covered in class 10th, that is coin, either it is tossed for or it is tossed for twice. एक कॉइन को एक कॉइन को हमने 2 बार टॉस कर रहे हैं या फिर 2 कॉइन को एक बार टॉस कर रहे हैं, तो हमारे पास क्या आना चाहिए, सैंपल स्पेस बनाना पड़ेगा. एंड द सैंपल स्पेस इज अगेन दैट इज हेड और टेल, हेड एंड टेल. दैट इज फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम हेड हेड, हेड टेल हेड and tell. This is the sample space, that is total possible outcomes are 4. For the one time, that is only we get head or tail, that is sample space, and the total number of possible outcomes is 2. Using this only 2 topics, one time and a twice, is important for class 10th. And there are a lot of the question, either times head, either two times a tail, one time is head, and similarly a lot of the random questions. Second topic is dice. Second topic is dice. If we roll a dice for a single time, we will get 6 events. We will get events like either we get 1, either we get 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. Only these possibilities are there if we roll a dice for one time, a single time. Okay, so if there was a question like what is the probability of getting a prime number, probability of getting prime number, probability of getting a prime number. So prime number is 2, prime number is 3, prime number is 5. There are 3 favorable outcome and total outcomes are 6. This is the answer for simplifying 1 upon 2. That is the answer for probability of getting a prime number. Second question are similarly as probability of getting the even numbers. Even number are 2, 4 and 6. That is again 3 upon 6. Probability of getting the odd numbers. Probability of getting a number less than 3. There are the several number of questions. Okay. What is the sample space if we roll a dice? Roll a dice for 2 times. For 2 times. If we roll a dice for 2 times, we will get a sample space. First we have to draw a sample space. Okay. First time we roll, that we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Second time when we roll, that is again we get 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. For the first time we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then question will be, if we roll a dice for 2 times, okay, what is the probability of getting the same number again and again? That is, for this we have to make a sample space. Sample space is, for the first time we will get 1, second time again 1, for the first time 1, second time 2, similarly 1, 3, 4, 1. Second time 1, first time 2, second time 2. Similarly we can draw this. So we get 36 possible outcomes. How many? 36 possible outcomes. 6, again 6, 6, 6, 6 and 6. Total 36 possible outcomes. If we have a question that if we roll a dice for 2 times, what will the probability of getting the same number both the times? Probability of getting same numbers. Probability of getting same number, that is 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5 and 6, 6. there are 6 possibilities: 1 2 3 4 5 6. Favorable number 6, total number 36. So the answer is 1 upon 6. On simplifying by 6, 1 upon 6, that is the answer is 1 by 6. Again the question will be like probability of getting the number which is first time lesser number than the second time. Okay, so lesser number is like first, that is 1, this one, this one, this one, 1 2 3. So we will count from the sample space. These are the two topics, one time and second time for the dice. Third time is third topic for this probability chapter is card. Playing card means what? That is, if we playing a card, we will get 52 cards. 52 cards which are divided into 4 parts. That one is spade, club, heart and diamond. 52 cards are divided into 4 equal parts, that is, spade cards are 13, club cards are 13, heart cards are 13 and diamond cards are also 13. 13 4 are 52. Okay, so in each type of cards there are 13 cards: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 type of card, but the different colors. Spade and club are black colors, are black colors, while heart and are red colors. Heart and diamonds are red colors. So find the probability of getting a black card. Black card is total, black card is 13 plus 13 26. Probability of black card is 26 upon total number of cards is 52, that is 1 upon 2. This is the probability of getting a black card. And again probability of finding the red card, that is 26 upon 52. These cards further divided into 13 types, that is, for the first time it is, first card is king, second card is queen, third card is jack, fourth card is 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, or it is also called as ace. Okay, so these are the 13 cards. These 3 cards, that is king, queen and jack, are called the face cards. And these cards are called the numbered cards. Okay, these 3 cards are called the face cards. These 10 cards are called number cards. Similarly in these also, this also, this also, but the difference of colors, that is spade and black spade and club are black, while the heart and diamonds are red colors. So the question arises like, find the probability of getting a king of black. King of black. Probability of getting a king black. There are 2 kings, one king is here, one king is here. So black card, that is 1 and 2. Favorable outcome 2, possible outcomes are 52. Hence the answer will be 1 upon 26. So the examiner will shuffle these questions from here and there. You have to observe from this sample space. So very important is to prepare a sample space, and you can do a better in your board examination. Thank you and have a nice day.